After 2 years of general pediatrics in Cincinnati, I was one of the first members of the training class in neurodevelopmental disabilities, which is a combination of what we call developmental pediatrics as well as child neurology. Hi, I'm Josh Ewen. I'm the division head of Developmental Behavioral Pediatrics at Lurie Children's. I'm a cognitive neuroscientist. Do neurobiology, and I certainly have placed a lot of my time and focus and career on the bet that there will be something that can help kids and families with developmental disabilities by learning more about the brain. All of my research has been in autism, ADHD, and other developmental disabilities, but my clinical care has been quite wide. I came to Lurie Children's to focus on what my big interest is, which is the clinical care of children with autism and other developmental disabilities. Typically developing children certainly have their own personalities and own individual characteristics and needs, but to a large extent follow a very typical playbook. Children with disabilities, oftentimes that typical playbook goes out the window. They have their own playbook. And so having a consistent pediatric provider is critical because that person would know that child's playbook. Our division does primarily diagnostic evaluations on children who have concerns for autism, intellectual disability, and other learning disorders and behavioral conditions. We also provide some therapies for children who have behavioral conditions and follow-up care for children where we have to assess how their academic plan is unfolding. We're lucky that we have wonderful social workers in addition to our medical providers, psychologists, nurses, all of whom spend their entire careers caring for kids with developmental disabilities. Everybody within developmental pediatrics, I think everybody has a story as to why they went into it. In my case, because I had learning disabilities growing up. In other people's cases, because they had family members, and so on and so on. Everybody has a story, so everybody is very passionate.